In this video, we will guide you through the setup and configuration of the system. First, navigate to the System Preferences section in the System Settings and select Setup and Configuration. On this page, you can enable various features, configure integration settings, and set system defaults. For instance, you can enable Active Directory, Advisor Portal, and Client Portal, along with specific configurations for these portals. In the Default Values tab, you can set system defaults such as types, statuses, roles, currencies, categories, and rounding time entries. Similarly, contract defaults can be configured in the Contracts Documents Default Values tab, where you can set default contract names, party names, make contracts private by default, and enable contract features like SLA and link status. Additionally, you can manage DocuSign and Adobe Sign integration requirements, external links, notifications, outgoing emails, and reminders. Lastly, under System Values, you can lock time entries, set values related to business days, currency, and time zones, and enable features such as SLA and client management. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.